Hello, maayong adlaw ka natong tanan. Okay ba sa oras sa diha, but right now, upon recording this video, it is exactly 12:30 here in the state of California. I just want to thank you guys for supporting what we are fighting for. We're fighting for truth, freedom, and the sovereignty of our country. Now, karon, I've actually seen this coming from a mile away. Kibaw gid kaayo ko nga i-take out of context so akong last live ganin ako nga katong nag-teleport ko from one place to the other, 3 locations while on live. Daghan ko nakita ang videos only recently nga of me katong from my last live nga ila jong gi-take into account ang katong information ganin ang gi-feed sa kuha. Katong ganing purtigo nilang paninguhan ang kasuhan kong inciting sedition. So ilang gi-splice ang mga clips sa katong last live nako nga ilang gipang post as true. So I actually have seen this coming from a mile away. I'm telling you. Kini sila ganahan purtigo nilang paninguhan nga i-feed yung information nga mga sayop gani. Ganahan yung kay sila nga kasuhan kong inciting sedition. Now what is inciting sedition? Now inciting sedition is basically pag-awhag sa mga katawhan nga mag-alsa against the government. Kanang akong mong encourage to revolt against the government ba? But that's not what I'm doing. I'm simply trying to let you know that you guys have rights. You have every right to demand transparency, accountability from the public officials that we have voted to serve us in our country. Mauna ang akong giawhagan yung tanan. I did not say na kanang pag-revolution mo riha. No, I did not say that. Because I truly believe that the Philippines has a very robust set of rules and regulations set for our nation and the Filipino people. I believe in the Philippine government. It's just so sad that it is being run by clowns. Mauna ang akong gibot pasabot. Okay? It is terrible to think that the people that are running our country is not sane. We need sane public officials. We need sane government officials. Mauna akong gihawhag ang tanan nga pwede mo speak up because it is our right. Ha? Kunya, ila jud kong pukson nga kanang musultigid ko ba nga na-detain pa diri si Lisa Marcos. Again, I am telling you guys, I am telling from what I know. I am just recounting from what I know and the information that I have. Now, this is the information that I have. Okay? Ako dun siya balik-balikon because this is the only thing that I know and I have. Okay? Kana si Bangag, si Lisa Tanas, kana siya, addict na siya. Okay? Addict ng dako and manyak na silang duha. Manyak na silang duha. Kasabot mong tanan diha, kamong mga supporter sa Bangag administration, ha? Kasabot mo o pagbugo-bugo lang yun mo? Kasabot mo ada, addict ang inyong leader. Gadugo ang ganing baba na. Okay. Ila di kong pugson lagi ko nila. Nga mo ingon gyud ko nga nabali. What I know is that wala lagi siya gipapauli. Wala lagi. Moto. A few weeks after Paulo Tantocos death. Wa mo kabantay. Ang mga post niya kay puro closed doors and puros mga edited. Why? Because she was not there in the Philippines. After a few weeks atong pakitabo, presko pa kayo. Wala to siya sa Pilipinas. All closed doors events ang hindi mga pilan. Again, kay wala siya gipapauli. They were held for questioning. They were held for questioning lagi. Ngano pugson man ko ninyo na napa siya diri? I don't know. I really don't know, and this is what I know. They were held for questioning for a couple of days, maybe weeks. But when Claire Castro said na niuli kasi atong pagpisagis exactly 5:58 in the morning on a Monday, on March 10, there in the Philippines. That was a complete lie. Because I have documents from a very reliable source. My source cannot get as more legit as this. Grabe ka legit ang akong information. Okay? They were never sent home after a few weeks ato. They were not sent home. Maybe now, she's back in the Philippines, but now, butang na to, nana siya sa Pilipinas. Wa mo kabantay, only recently na nagapusok-pusok ang iyang public appearances. What happened in the past few days? I-connect ninyo ba, di man kata mga bugo tagtanan, dili ta mo sugot, ha? Nga limbungon ta sa administrasyon kay grabe ka demonyon as lang tanan. Dili ta mo sugot. Nalimbungon ta, magpalimbong pa dayta na we know what is happening with all of the information that is out there. You can literally ask for it. Look it up. Look it up. Napugsun ko nga, dahil ka nag-send ako, na, Dean, you can trust me, send all of the documents, send all of the recordings, the audios, the videos. Bogo ko? Ano, isend man ako ninyo. Pagtanong na siyang friends, 63 ka ba friends? 13 ka ba friends? Napay mag-message na ko. Kanang 3,000, 6,000 na friends below lock and profile. You think that I am that dumb to send you all of the information that is literally keeping me alive right now? I am being followed, I am being monitored, and if something happens to me, it blows off. Nagtuo mo nakakwarta ko ani akong ipangbuhat? I am not monetizing Facebook. Kaya grabe kayo ang mga pag-mass report sa every post na ko. Kiba ba mo gipang-restrict ka ng mga post na ko? Kanang post ako about di kuan, kanang unsa naka-addict ng inyong bangagya nga mga presidente. Gipang-post, mass report. I am not monetized. I am just doing this for the pure love and concern of our country. Ini sige, inani na lang. Inani. Ibutang na to. Okay. Ibutang na to nga kanang kaming tanang mga content creators, fake news nito na. Ibutang na lang na to. Okay, kamo gihawd no. Kamo may nadiha sa kanang Malacañang no. Kamo may hawd. Ibutang na to. Fake news nito na. Ibutang na to nga kining tanang information na nakuha na mo from a very legit source. Ibutang na to fake. I, in Chase, a Filipino tax-paying citizen, demand the President of the Philippines to take a hair follicle test. O kana sa silin sa tanas. I challenge you, no, I demand you to take a hair follicle test. Katungod na namo mo demand mo because we want to find out if you are sane enough to run a country. Dili ni barangay issue lang. Na pwede na to i-sweep under the rug. It is not just a barangay issue. It is the issue of an entire nation. We need to know if you are sane enough to run a fucking country. It is our right. It is our money that you are playing with. It is our country that you are playing with. You are disrespecting the sovereignty of our country. We have a working judicial system. O sino gibuhat kay PRRD? Gipadala niyo sa ICC. The Congress is run by clowns. We are the citizen of that nation. We demand the President to take a hair follicle test because we want to know if you are sane enough to run our country. Adik mo! Kamu sa iyong asawa? Noon kayo mo diri, swingers mo. Pagkauwang mo, pagkauwang mo. Despicable, disgusting.